How to fix could not reconnect all network drives error on Windows. 1. Install the latest Windows updates. 2. Disconnect and reconnect the network drives. 3. Enable the always for the network at computer startup and logon policy at computer configuration administrative template system logoning bit.msc. 4. Map drives using a batch script. See codes below. 4.1 Use the following script. You may name it as batch.cmd. PowerShell command set execution policy scope current user unrestricted %temp% /startuplog.txt. 2 and 1 PowerShell file %system drive %/scripts /map drives.ps1 %temp% /startuplog.txt. 2 and 1 4.2 create. PowerShell script, map drives.ps1. $I equals 3 while, $true, $error.clear, $map drives equals get some mapping where property status value unavailable EQ select local path remote path for each, $map drive in $map drives, try new some mapping local path $map drive.local path. Remote path $map drive.remote path. Persistent $true catch right host there was an error mapping $map drive.remote path to $map drive.local path $I equals $I, 1 if, $error.count EQ 0 or $I EQ 0. Break start sleep seconds 34.3 save the batch.cmd. File in the startup folder at c:\program data \Microsoft \Windows \start menu \programs \startup. 4.4 save map drive. .ps1 file in the scripts folder in c:\drive. 5. Make task scheduler run the script, mapdrives.ps1. Notes, 1. Enable the run with the highest privileges option under security options. Following network is available option in the conditions tab. 6. Set 0 to restore connection dword at 8 key _ local _ machine / system / current control set / control / network provider in registry editor.